we have to find the sum of 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 31. What we have given here? We know that we have here arithmetic progression. So the terms 5, 7, 9 to 31 are arithmetic form arithmetic progression. What else? We know that when we have arithmetic progression, to find the sum of n terms, we use formula that this is a1 plus first term plus last term over 2 times number of terms. We have given here the first term a1 is 5 and the last term an we can write is 31, but we don't have the n. How we will find the n? We will use the formula for the n term of arithmetic progression. This is a1 plus n minus 1 times d. d is common difference. When we have arithmetic progression, every term after first is formed by adding this constant d. So to first we add d and we have the second. To second we add d and we have the third, and so on. So to find this d constant, we have to just subtract two consecutive terms. a1, let's put a2, a3. So we can subtract from a2 a1 or a3 we subtract a2. So let's choose a3 and a2. So it will be 9 minus 7, so this is equal to. We have the common difference, so we can go to this equation and find the n. The last term is 31, so we have 31 is equal, a1 is 5 plus n minus 1 times d is 2. I will move 5 to the left side, so we have 31 minus 5 is equal n minus 1 times 2. 31 minus 5 is 26. This is equal n minus 1 times 2, because n is inside, is our unknown. First we have to divide by 2 both sides to reduce this 2. So 2 and 2 we can reduce, and 2 with 26, so will be 13 is equal n minus 1. So now we see that n is equal, I will move 1 to the negative 1 to the left, so it will be 13 plus 1, so this is 14. We have n, we have first term, last term, so we can find the sum of our, in this example, 13 terms are of arithmetic progression. So as 14, sorry, we calculate that n is 14 is equal a1 plus a14 over 2 times 14. So this is equal, a1 is 5 plus a14 and is 14 is 31 over 2 times 14. So this is equal, 5 plus 31 is 36 over 2 times 14. So this is equal, we can reduce 2 and 36 is 18. So we have 18 times 14. So this is equal to 52. So this is my solution. We found the sum of arithmetic progression terms. We found this sum, 5 plus 7 plus 9 to 31. This is 252. This is my solution.